I want to cover something I call standing cobras. This is a great little warm up, or even warm down as I sometimes use it in classes. And it gets sort of the posterior chain prepped and a bit of the legs as well. So what you want to do is start in effectively a prisoner stance, hands on the back of your head. And what you're going to do is bring those elbows together and pull the head with you. And eventually you're going to curl down and keep going. Now you can add in a squat here, so you can curl down, go as low as you want, and then stand up, reverse the position, and open the elbows, push on the back of the head. Last. Now you can go as low as you want. Just bear in mind, if you are going to do a squat, what I see a lot of people do is they come down and just bend forward. It actually needs to be a squat, so we curl in and drop the hips as we come down, and then open out, squeeze those shoulder blades. That's a great little warm up, and sometimes, like I said, a warm down.